Meaning of Hugh Grant.
Hugh Grant.
Hugh Grant.
Hugh Grant.
Hugh Grant. Hugh Grant is an English actor and film producer. He first gained international recognition for his role in the 1994 romantic comedy film 4 Weddings and a Funeral. He has since starred in numerous films, including Notting Hill, Bridget Jones's Diary, and Love Actually. Grant has been nominated for several awards throughout his career, and has won a Golden Globe and a BAFTA. He is known for his charming and witty on-screen persona, as well as his off-screen controversies, including a highly publicized arrest in 1995. Overall, Hugh Grant is an accomplished actor with a long-standing career in the entertainment industry.